Hello you lovely bunch and welcome back to another episode of Everything You Need to Know. And in this episode we're going to be covering Chrome, our high gloss spray wax. So what is Chrome? It's our high gloss Canuba spray wax. Where would you use it? On your panels, your paintwork. Don't use it on your wheels and certainly don't use it on your glass because that'll leave you with a massive headache. Why would you use it? To add protection of course, because that's what a wax does. You can use a hard wax, but if you haven't got time, you can use Chrome spray wax. Use it as a maintenance, just to keep on top of things. Once you've got that hard wax on there, it's that simple. So how do we use Chrome? Simple. Spray it onto one panel per time and grab yourself one of our Works all-purpose microfiber cloths and just spread it around the panel evenly. Allow it a few minutes to cure and adhere to the panel, but in summer months give it less time, obvious reasons. In winter months it'll take a little bit longer, but you can always check with the old finger swipe test on the panel. Then once you're happy, grab yourself one of our Lush buffing cloths and just buff it off. As simple as that, but just make sure you get it all off. Tips on how to use Chrome. So what I tend to do is get a microfiber, fold it in half and half again, then grab my product and spray it directly into the cloth. 3 or 4 squirts just to start with, that's all you need. And what this does, it just stops you over applying too much product, stops any overspray going onto your windows or anywhere that you've already applied it to, dead easy. Then once you're happy, just apply it to your panel in a cross hatch pattern. Simple. So a few things we've come across with people that are new to using Chrome is to use it in direct sunlight if the panel's hot to touch. If you do this, it's just going to dry instantly, it's going to look a mess and it's going to be a nightmare to get off. So make sure it's cool to touch or move it out the sun and leave it for a few and just give it a bit of time. Also, they'll spray it directly onto the panel, but they'll put too much on the panel, so little is more, few squirts goes a long way. So what can you pair Chrome with? Our Extreme Ceramic Wax. It's a hard wax, but don't let the name fool you, it goes on like butter. Chrome is great, once you've applied the hard wax, you can use it then as a top-up wax for maintenance washes. And as I said, our Lush buffing cloth go together perfect. So that's everything you need to know about Chrome, our high gloss spray wax. If you found this video helpful, as always, drop us a like and subscribe. If you've got any questions or anything like that, drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as. Thank you for watching.